Hi, and welcome back to the Edit Keys audio channel. My name's Lucian, and in this video, we're going to be looking at connecting a USB microphone in Logic Pro. If you've seen our Garageband video, you might notice it looks a little bit similar to Logic, but Logic's a bit more complex in the layout, so let's get into it. So to start off, we're going to be connecting the USB microphone to our MacBook. In this case, we're using a Editor's Keys SL600 microphone. And if you've seen any of Samantha Harvey's covers, you might recognize it for her videos. So next up, we're going to open up Logic Pro and create a new empty project. And you can see here, there's these 4 options for which type of track you want to create. We're going to select audio, and you'll see mic or line or guitar or bass. We're going to go for mic or line. Then underneath the audio input menu, you want to make sure that your USB microphone is selected as the audio input source. If you can't see it there, then just click this arrow here. Make sure the output device and the input device are both your USB microphone. Now this can get a little bit confusing, so for the sake of simplicity in this video, we'll say that lower buffer sizes are better for recording live instruments or vocals, as there's less delay or latency in the track. So now that we've made sure the mic is selected as the input device for this project, we'll just select input 1, something like that, and press create. So there's a track, and as you can see, the audio is picking up here and nicely in the green. So once that audio track's been created, you'll see it here in your project. This green bar here is your audio level. As I'm speaking near the microphone, you can see the audio level dancing around. Most USB microphones have a gain knob on them. The gain is the amplitude or the loudness of the audio signal that's being recorded. So if the gain knob's set too high, then the audio signal will become bit too loud and distorted in some cases. If that's the case, you'll see the green bar go into the yellow and even into the red, and this means that the audio is clipping and will be distorted when played back. So you want to find the right setting for your microphone's gain knob. For me, it's usually around 12 to 1 o'clock. It gets a nice clear sound, no visible distortion or anything like that. So as I'm talking, you can see the bar is staying nicely in the green zone, which is what we want. If you're going to be talking or singing into the microphone, then when you're setting up, make sure to get a good test of the volume that you're going to be doing so at, so that once you start recording, it doesn't sound completely different. So within this audio track, you can see this I button here, which means input monitoring. We're going to select this so that we can hear what the audio is picking up through our headphones whilst we're recording. If you're recording a vocal cover or something over another audio track, then it's useful to be able to hear yourself while that's happening. So once you're happy with how the audio sounds in your headphones and the microphone level is at a nice, comfortable level, then you're ready to start recording. So to do so, you can hit this red button here or just press R on your keyboard. I'll save you the pain of listening to me singing, but this is what my voice sounds like through the SL600. As you can see, the audio waveform looks good and it isn't too loud or clipping. And if I adjust the gain knob on the microphone, you'll see the waveform starts to get bigger and the audio's noticeably louder and in some cases gets a bit more distorted. So be sure to keep it in a nice comfortable range. You can always make an audio sample louder, but it's difficult to make a distorted audio sample quieter. So that's pretty much it. Your microphone should now be fully up and running in Logic and you're pretty much ready to start recording. So like I said, Logic Pro is a bit more complex than Garageband. There's a lot more bells and whistles to it. If there's something you'd like to learn about in Logic Pro, then let us know in the comments below, because we'd love to hear from you. My name's Lucian from Editor's Keys, and we'll catch you in the next video.